Welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, every week you can watch a maths basic lessons which will be useful for the students of all standards from 1st to 10. So please watch regularly and share, forward and make it use for them. So let us start today's lesson, that is comparison of fraction. You know the meaning of comparison. You have studied about comparison of integers. To compare any two fractions means to find which one is smaller, greater, or equal to the other. Also, you know the meaning of fraction and how the comparison to be done in fractions. Let us see. There are many cases to be taken for comparison. First, we will take when the denominators are same. And the denominators are same. You know, fraction contains numerator and denominator. And its meaning is numerator divided by denominator. So, what type of fractions we are taking for comparison now? Fractions with same denominators. Examples: we'll compare these two fractions. It is very easy when the denominators are same, because an object is divided into same equal parts. Out of these, different numerators are taken. So what is the comparison? Which numerator is smaller, that fraction is smaller. Or which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Or if both the numerators are same, both the fractions are equal. Clear? So very easy. This is only when the denominators of both the fractions are equal. So here, when the denominators are same, only you have to compare the numerators. So here we know that 2 is less than 3. Therefore, 2 upon 5 is less than sign. So very easy. So you need not bother about denominator if when the denominators are same. Clear? Only you have to compare the numerators. Now, next case, when the numerators are same and denominators are different. When numerators are same of both the fractions and denominators are different. So in that case, what we will do? 3 upon 5, 3 upon 2. Here also there is no question of seeing the numerators. Both are same. So while comparing denominator, we know that when the denominator is increasing, the value of fraction decreasing. Reverse. So which fraction having highest denominator, that fraction will be smaller. Clear? When denominator increases, value of fraction decreases. So here 5 is greater than 2. So what we can write? 3 upon 5 is less than 3 upon 2. Clear this rule, both the rules? When the denominators are same, directly compare the integers in the numerator. But when the numerators are same, we have to compare the integers and the result will be reversed. If higher denominator, smaller value of the fraction. So 5 is greater than 2. Therefore 3 upon 5 is smaller than 3 upon 2. Clear? From the value itself we will come to know that the full thing is divided into 5 equal parts. Out of these 3 parts only taken. Here the full thing is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of these 3 parts are taken. 3 parts how you will take? We have to find one more. This improper fraction. One more object. So understood? When the denominator is same, have to compare the numerators. When the numerator is same, we have to compare the denominator. But the result will be reversed. Clear this? Now when both are different, both the numerator and denominators are different. For example, here both are different. What you have to? You have to apply either case 1 or case 2. You can equalize either numerator or denominator of both the fractions, anyone, by using the property of equivalent fraction. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. By the same number. So 7, how to 7 and 8 should both the, here denominator is 7. We will equalize the denominators. That will be more easier. There is no question of reversing the result. So what we have to equalize? Denominator of both the fractions make equal without changing the value of the fraction. That is, you have to find the equivalent fraction for these two fractions such that the denominators of both the fractions are same. So what you have to do? Here you have to multiply by 8. And here you have to multiply by 7. So 7 8s are 56. Here 8 7s are 56. Both the denominators become equal. But value of the fraction will change. So what you have to do? You have to multiply the same number in the numerator also. 8 multiplied by here. So here also you have to multiply by 8. Here multiply by 7. Here also you have to multiply by 7. Make equivalent fractions such that both the denominators are same. So which number you have to multiply here? 3 into 8 upon 7 into 8. Here which number? 5 into 7 upon 8 into 7. Clear? So both become 3 into 8 and 5 into 7 upon 56. Here also 56. Once you get the same denominator, Only you have to compare the numerators. So what is the numerator here? 3 into 8. What is here? 5 into 7. Look at the products. 3 into 8. 5 into 7. Only you have to compare what? 3 into 8 and 5 into 7. So generally we will get a rule for comparing fraction. What you have to do? Take the numerator of the first into denominator of the second. Find the product. That is called first cross product. Take the numerator of the second and denominator of the first. That is called second cross product. If first cross product is greater, first fraction is greater. Second cross product is greater, second fraction is greater. So here 3 eights are 24 upon 56. Actually we are doing equalizing the denominator only. But we are generalizing a rule from this only. And here what you will get? 35 upon 56. We know that 24 is less than 35. Therefore, 24 upon 56 is less than 35 upon 56. Therefore, here also, this is the method. So, while observing the method, what we have compared 3 into 8 or 5 into 7 is greater. Clear? This is obtained by equalizing the denominator only. Remember that. Now, what will be the general rule? If A upon B and C upon D are two fractions and A into what? D. And find B into C. If A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B greater than C upon D. Then if A into D less than B into C, then A upon B is less than C upon D. Clear? Understood this rule? Generally, we can write this rule. This is nothing but equalizing the denominator by using the property of equivalent without changing the value of fraction. Now, if both are equal, both the fraction. If A into D is equal to B into C, both are equivalent fraction. Both the fractions are equal. Clear? Now, suppose there are common factors in denominator. For example, 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 12. See, look at 8 and 14. It is not that general rule you keep in mind always. In this also you can apply that. But more easier way you can do it. Here common factors are there. What is that? 4 is common factor. Here 4 3s are. Here 4 2s are. Therefore 4 is same. 4 is same. So only you have to take the non-common factor to multiply here. So what it will be? 4 into 3. 3 you have to multiply here and 2 you have to multiply here. Only non-common factor you have to take. Common factor need not do. That is only an option according to your convenience. Only remember that cross product rule. Clear? There is no confusion in that. This is for easier way of doing. So it is equal to 3 upon, and here 5 upon 3 into 4. So 4 is there, here 4 is same. So 4 you need not do anything. Only you have to multiply here by 3 and here by 2 to equalize the denominator if there is common factor. So what number you have to multiply by here? 3. Here also multiply by 3. So 3 into 3 upon 2 into 4 into 3. Here what? Common, non-common factor of the first fraction, that is 2. 4 is here. So 5 into 2 upon 3 into 4 into 2. 2 into 4 into 3, 3 into 4 into 2. Actually what it is, the denominator. We multiplied common factors into non-common factors. That is nothing but LCM. We will keep the value of LCM as the same denominator. The remaining non-common factor you have to multiply by the numerator. Clear? So here also denominator is same, here also denominator is same. So 3 3s are 9, here 5 2s are 10. So 9 less than 10. Therefore, this fraction is. This is only an option. You can use the first cross product and second cross. That way also you can do. Now, if one numerator is completely divisible by the other, but it is very easy to compare. 5 upon 6 and 3 upon 12. It is very easy to equalize the denominator. Here you have to multiply by 2. So here also, here nothing to be done. So what is the main method? Equalize the denominator. Once you equalize the denominator, we have to compare by comparing the numerators. So here, this is greater. 5 into 2 is greater than, therefore 5 upon 6 is greater than 3 upon 12. Clear? This is the way of comparing any two fractions. What is the main method? General method. Find the first cross product, numerator into denominator of second, numerator of second into denominator of the first. This is obtained by equalizing the denominator only. Clear? These are the various way of comparing any two fraction. So that is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Once you watch the video, if you like it, please press the like button, share it, forward, and subscribe my channel named Mathline. Bye bye. Have a nice day. See you next week. Thank you.